Ooh, Lord. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing some unboxing, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So, as you guys know, I've been gone for some weeks because I've been doing a lot of sound testing, trying to figure out what's good, what's not. And so I'm just been kind of looking around, at some companies and seeing what I want to get to improve the sound. So that's exactly what's in these boxes here. So, bam, snake. All right, box number 2. Jeez, a box inside of a box? I wonder what this could be. Gotta love the candy. Oh, if you know, you know. Oh, I just stabbed myself. Oh, let's see what this is here. It's about to get real up in here, guys. Ooh, it's nicely packaged too. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Oh, that was nicely packaged. Like I said, if you know, you know. It's about to get serious up in here. Anything else in those boxes there? Oh Lord, let's keep going. Lots of bubble wrap. Now this is the good stuff, I promise. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Not one, but two. Two. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I do not play, y'all. I'm not playing. Oh, this is the big one. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I'm going to put this on the ground. Oh, it's heavy. Got some weight to it. I like that. It's a workout. Jeez, another box? Lots of bubble wrap. Yes, sir. Man, how many boxes to get to the good stuff? Run out of space in here. Oh. Oh, I see it. 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 Oh, see what this is. I had to do it. I had to do it. Can y'all see it? If you know, you know. I did it. I did it. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. No Status. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff together. We're gonna come back after testing it and see how everything sounds. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video.